working with links. If you need to configure a link, you'll go over to the Element Pane. So for example, here I've got some text links here on my canvas. I'm going to select one and go to the Element Pane and scroll down to the Element Properties. And from here is where you can configure the link address under the href box. You can either type in a full address, like I've done here. If you need to link to another page within the project, if you put your cursor in the box, a list of options will become available. So we can see that I have a page in the project called history.html. I can select it and it will now be synced to direct the user to that address. Now, if you want to link a word within a paragraph, you'll go ahead and double click on the canvas and select the word that you want to associate with a link. On the right hand side, the text editor mode will be open, and under link, click the plus arrow and then type in the web address in the URL box. Adjust your target if necessary, and then press apply. And that certain specific word will now become a link. If you want to make changes to the link styles, I recommend giving it a class name. And then you can adjust your styles, your colors, anything that you need. Now, if you want to link to a document, you'll need to first add the file to your resources. So if you click on the resources section, add file, and then select the document. I'm going to choose this PDF. And select OK. To make that actual link, I'll type in. So I will simply enter in the name of the document file, which was special document.pdf. If you're working with an image and would like to apply a link to it, the picture link element, select that, and on the Element Pane, under the href box is where you can enter your link. So when someone clicks the picture, they're redirected to a new location. You can learn more about links in the comments below.